Hey yo, it's Theo. Welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you my MRT trip from Bundaran Hotel Indonesia to Bendungan Hilir. And while at it, I will explain several things about Jakarta MRT. So enjoy the video. Okay, first of all, I'm sorry about this shaky camera works because this is like an older footage of mine, so I'm trying to rework it into my Bapuantar channel. Basically here I'm gonna ride the MRT from Bundaran Hotel Indonesia to Bendungan Hilir or Ben Hill in this case, and you can see it's all in blue, like this is like the phase 1 Jakarta's MRT project, and in green is Sarina, Monas, Harmoni, Sawah-Besar, Mangga Besar, Glodok, and Kota is the planned second phase of MRT. As for April 2022 is still in progress. At Bundaran Hotel Indonesia MRT Station, there is a checkpoint where you need to scan your Peduli Lindungi application, and then they're gonna check you for your temperature and your belongings, and then you're gonna go through to the MRT platform. But by no means this is not a tutorial, just several pointers when you're riding Jakarta MRT. And later I will make like the official MRT tutorial, especially for foreigner here. Now, to pay for the trip, there's like two main methods. First is like a single trip and a multi-trip MRT card, which you can purchase inside. And then there are e-money cards, which is issued from almost every major bank in Indonesia, which also can be used to pay for your Transjakarta transaction in the supermarket and then your toll fee. So I think it's very useful. Today I'm gonna use e-money card to pay for my MRT trip, and here's the table for how much you will pay for each station that you will pass through. Now my MRT is coming, so I just need to get it on, and then it's the same view, like in Singapore MRT, it's the same process. And when I get to my station, I just need to get out, tap my card to get out from the MRT station, and then go up to the streets. And that's all my video for today. If you have any question regarding the MRT trip in Jakarta, please put it on the comment below. I will do my best to reply it. And then any question regarding MRT or Jakarta in general is fine as well. Don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Then I see you on my next video. Ciao!